Motorist crashes into another at Toll Plaza. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 5 people escaped serious injuries on Friday when a motor car crashed into another at one of the toll booths at the Portmore Toll Plaza in St. Catherine. The police have confirmed that those involved, 2 occupants in each vehicle, plus individuals at the toll booth, were shaken up by the serious accident. The incident was captured on the closed-circuit TV installed at the facility. The driver of a Toyota Axio motor car slammed into a Honda Fit motor car, resulting in both vehicles smashing through the barrier and damaging the toll booth. The incident happened around 1:20 p.m. A number of videos have begun to surface online which showcase the aftermath of the crash. However, the police have not yet provided an official statement in relation to the crash, and initial reports suggest that speeding might have been a contributing factor to the crash. The police investigation continues, and it is believed that charges will be laid against one of the motorists. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.